Today I'm going to show you how to fix that super annoying Nvidia control panel thingy. You know, like when you keep clicking on it, but it just refuses to open? Yeah, that one. Okay, so here's what you got to do. It's honestly, super simple. Just go ahead and open the services menu. And once you're in there, scroll down and look for all the Nvidia services. Found it? Cool. Now just make sure those Nvidia services are set to run automatically, okay? 'Cause that way, everything related to your Nvidia app or control panel will keep running in the background, and it won't throw that stupid error at you when you try to open it. After that, you can either, restart your Windows Explorer, or honestly, the better option is to just restart your whole computer. And boom, it should totally start working again. I think, in most cases, it should work though. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. But make sure you subscribe so you can hear me again, okay? Bye!